Domestic battery in Illinois is a very serious offense. Domestic battery can be both a misdemeanor and a felony. It all depends on prior criminal history and the actual facts of the case. Individual who is being charged with domestic battery is prohibited from receiving court supervision, a second chance, so to speak. That individual must be convicted. Conviction for domestic battery leads to a number of grave consequences. Everything from that specific charge staying in your background as a conviction to potential deportation if you're not a U.S. citizen. It is crucial to hire an attorney who knows how to fight those cases. Domestic battery can be resolved in a number of ways that will not result in a conviction. While supervision is prohibited, that specific charge can potentially be amended to a different violation, such as regular battery, for which supervision is allowed, assuming an individual has no prior criminal history and the victim agrees to the amendment. That charge can actually be dismissed. It can be dismissed based on what's called deferred prosecution. If the alleged victim is okay with prosecution offering community service hours, is okay with anger management classes, and perhaps even an order of protection. That specific charge, upon completion of those specific requirements, can be dismissed. Once it's dismissed, it's gone from your record. Not automatically, but it's gone upon filing certain sealing or expungement paperwork. Not every case has to result in you going to court. Just because police came to your door doesn't mean you're going to get arrested. At that specific moment, the victim can refuse to press charges. If there is no signs of violence, police can just go away. Just because police came does not mean you will end up in court. But if you will, it is vital for you to hire an attorney who knows how to fight those cases, especially if you're not a U.S. citizen. Conviction will lead to you being placed on a deportation list and potentially getting deported. It is crucial to have that case fought in court, and if it's a felony, to make sure that that felony will be pled down to a different violation. It is crucial to fight the felony case as well. Once you get convicted of a felony, you will give up a lot of rights. Everything from being able to vote, from being able to own a gun, to being able to have a decent employment. Because you'll always will be required to disclose whether you've been convicted of a felony or not. It is vital for an individual who is facing felony charges for domestic battery to contact an attorney who knows how to resolve that case, how to make sure that the individual will not go to prison or will be doing minimum amount allowed by law, or perhaps even plead that case down to a different violation. All of those options are always on the table. The way the case will resolve itself depends on the facts, on the cooperation of the witnesses, on the cooperation from the state attorney's office, and how much the individual is willing to follow the advice their attorney is giving them. Hire an attorney and follow their guidance. Make sure to do what your attorney is telling you to do, because we've been there. We've been doing it for a long time. We know where to look. We know where to look for mistakes. We know where to look for lies, and we know which way this case has to be pushed in order for our clients to get the best possible resolution.